sure you've noticed in our recent videos that we've moved into a new shop and we got some brand new tools like this Rikon drill press table. And I've had the notion to build a woodworking drill press table to upgrade from what we've had previously, and this is a great time to do it. And why do you need a woodworking drill press table when your drill press table already comes with a metal table? Well, a woodworking drill press table is going to add a lot more features for woodworking, whereas a drill press is more of a metalworking tool right out of the box. In the coming weeks, I'm going to do a series of build videos on this one here. It's going to be in several parts. I'm going to start with the table. It's a double layer of 3/4 inch Baltic birch, and it's nice and wide. I've also added some laminate on top. It's not necessary, but it's going to make the top last a long time, so I really recommend it. Then the next step is doing a little shaping. You might notice that this particular table has some weird cutouts and shaping to it, and that's for pretty good reason. Now these cutouts here, they're going to fit standard F-style clamp, so I'm able to clamp my workpieces pretty easily all the way down the table. Now these cutouts may look complicated to do, but they're pretty easy. I just did a little rough cutting with a jigsaw, and then I came back with a flush trim bit and some templates and straight edges to smooth them all out. So it really turned out nicely there. Then I also added this replaceable insert in the middle. And now as I drill through my workpieces, it's fully supported, and as that middle part gets chewed up, I can come back and replace that. So it's a really nice feature to have. After that, I added some T-track here on the table, and that's for accessories like hold downs, or in this case, I've used it to mount my fence. So in the next video after the table, we're going to move on to adding the fence. And it's got some of the same features as the T-track and the laminate on it, but it also has, as you'll see in that video, it's got a cutout here in the middle, and that's for dust collection, which I'll show in a little bit, but it also has a split fence, and that's going to provide clearance when you're drilling close up to the fence for your chuck. If you're using a small bit, you really need to get down in there, so that split fence and this little knockout really helps it. So after you have the table and the fence, you really have a functioning drill press, and you could stop there, but I wanted to add one more upgrade, and that's this drawer box underneath. And you know, as you would think, this drawer provides storage, as the name implies, but the case also provides another feature, and that, as you can see with this dust port here in the back. So it's split from front to back, the drawer is in the front, and then I have the dust collection exhaust port in the back. So if I'm using a drum sander, I'll have another replaceable insert with a hole in it that this will be buried into, and then the dust is collected and exhausted out the back here where I can hook up a shop vac. So as you can see, this particular drill press table has a lot of features, and I hope you watch the videos and build your own.